I am your father.
Nuh-uh.
The fuck you mean, nuh-uh?
Nuh-uh.
Yaha, I am your dad.
Nuh-uh.
The fuck does that even mean, nuh-uh? What does that even mean? Princess Leia is your sister. I am your father. You are my son.
You're not my dad. Nuh-uh.
The fuck? What does nuh-uh mean? You can't say nuh-uh.
Yaha. You're not my dad.
Nuh-uh.
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 Nuh-uh. God damn it, Luke. We can't keep going on like this. Luke, I am your father.
Nuh-uh.
The fuck does that even mean? What do you mean, nuh-uh? Luke, I am your father. Your mother was Padme Amidala, Senator of Naboo, also my wife.
Nuh-uh. She wasn't.
The fuck do you mean, nuh-uh? She was my wife.
Nuh-uh.
Nuh-uh, she's also your mother.
Nuh-uh.
Luke, I am your father. Obi-Wan Kenobi, it can even prove it.
Luke, Darth Vader is your father.
Nuh-uh, Kenobi. He's not my dad. The fuck do you mean, Luke? I literally just explained it to you. Darth Vader is your father. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Your father was a traitor to the Jedi Council. Jesus Christ, Luke. I guess I just didn't want Darth Vader as my father. I didn't think anything of it.
Luke, I am your father. There is many evidence of this, okay?
Nuh-uh.
You will now face the consequences of your actions, Luke. You will now face the dark side.